Welcome to Josna's recipes, and this is how I make them. So today we are going to make onion and potato fritters. We call it kandachi bhaji and potato chi आपली आलूची भाजी किंवा so this is a very crispy and nice dish to be eaten hot. So I have this besan chana dal atta or besan, that is 1 cup. Then I have taken vertically chopped onion, one vertically chopped onion, one potato sliced that thin. It should not be thicker than this, or it should not be thinner than this, because it needs to coat the besan atta over it. So, and we'll need cumin powder and coriander powder. We're not going to add turmeric or red chili powder now. So, let us start with some coriander powder, janjeera powder, and salt, and then we'll mix it, give it a mix. Then we have oil, we need warm or hot oil, not too hot. We just need hot oil to be put in this besan atta to make them crisp. This is the thing. This is hot oil which is going to make it crisp. So let us see whether it is really hot. Let me check. I'm just taking little oil. No, it is not yet hot. We'll need 2 tablespoons, almost 2 tablespoons of oil, and we're going to put it, see, and now we're going to allow it to cool and mix it with hand without any lumps. So I have mixed this oil completely into this besan atta, see, and this is how it should be. So it is right, the batter is right now. When we just squeeze it in the hand, see, it makes a small lump. So this is the right chana dal and oil mixed together. I don't like to add turmeric or red chili in this because it leaves color in the oil, and then the oil gets burnt till we finish all our job. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove half of it because I have to show you aloo fritters and onion fritters. So I'm going to mix. I've removed half of it. Now I'm going to add this onion. I'm not adding water first. I'm going to add slowly, little by little. And the onion moisture will absorb a lot of, allow the chana dal to stick to it. Now is the time for me to add little water. Almost 1 tablespoon of water I have added. And now I'm ready to fry this. Look at the color. It just took 2 minutes on the medium flame. Look at the color. We don't want it to be too red or burnt. So this is a nice color and it is already crisp. So I'm going to put it on the tissue. Now with remaining batter, I'm going to show you these aloo bhajis or aloo fritters. You have to mix water into this and make a thick batter. It should not be thin. If it is thin, it doesn't coat the aloo and mix it really well. Look at the color. See, our batter is ready and it should be thick. And now I'm going to just drain it. Actually, I don't put it in water because it will go black. Potato flakes will turn black. So that is the reason I have put it in water. Otherwise, there is no need to put it in water. See, now I have coated this and it is ready to fry. And one by one, my aloo bhajis will go in. I think that will do because the oil low flame, because my kadai is small and my amount of oil that I am using is less. I am putting it on the low flame. If your kadai is big and the quantity is huge, you can put it on the medium flame. Look at the color. See? So they puff up like this. So that the aloo takes little time. And once it is ready, I am going to just use a chaat masala and a little bit of red chili powder and salt and sprinkle it on the top. It gives a nice taste instead of putting it in the batter. So we are also going to fry them golden brown and not more. This is the right color. We are going to get all the aloo fritters done. Just be careful when you drop them in oil. Now they are all ready, so I can remove them. I'll drain the oil. And now is the trick. What we can do is, we're going to take some salt, then some red chili powder and some chaat masala, and you can toss it and it's ready to eat. See, it is so crisp. You want to see? Yum, look at this. So my fritters are ready to eat.